There are no audio issues. Kindly make a note. Key point 1. Key point 1. First key point. If the series is of the form 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27 and so on. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27. So if you observe, this is nothing but there is a difference of 4, there is a difference of 4, there is a difference of 4, difference of 4 and a difference of 4. So nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. In linear equation, one a very important concept, sir. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what most of the students studied. So Tn is nothing but 3 plus n minus 1 into 4, which is nothing but 4n minus 1. Tn is nothing but 4n minus 1. This is what you have studied. Now, listen carefully, sir. Very, very important. Please observe one beautiful learning from a linear equation. So, Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what everybody knows it. A is nothing but the first term. I am not interested in this. A is nothing but the first term. D is nothing but the common difference. D is nothing but the common difference. A is the first term and D is nothing but the common difference. Now, this is something which you already know, right? This is something which everybody is comfortable. Now, please write down this method concept. If the difference between the consecutive terms, if the difference between the consecutive terms is same in n steps, then nth term will be an expression of degree n. Please write down, sir. Then nth term will be an expression of degree n. Please make a note of this point. If the difference between the consecutive terms is same in n steps, then nth term will be an expression of degree n. Very, very interesting way of looking at a few kinds of series. If the difference between the consecutive terms is same in n steps, then nth term will be an expression of degree n. Example: 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27 and so on. This difference is constant in one step. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Difference is constant in one step. One step the common difference is same and the common difference is nothing but 4. Then nth term is given by a expression with degree 1 for n. So Tn is nothing but an plus b. If the difference is constant in one step, then nth term is an expression with degree 1 for n. So n is 1. So it is nothing but a plus b, which is nothing but 3. T2 it is nothing but 2a plus b, which is nothing but 7. If I subtract 2a plus b minus of a plus b, which is a, 7 minus 3 it is 4. So a is nothing but 4. A plus b is nothing but 3. B is nothing but minus 1. Tn is nothing but 4n minus 1. I hope it is clear. You don't need to use an AP series. If the difference is constant in one step, then nth term is an expression with degree 1 for n. This is a very beautiful way of looking at arithmetic progression from a linear expression point of view. Difference is constant in one step. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Right? So this is nothing but Tn equivalent to an plus b. T1 equivalent to a plus b, it is 3. T2 is 2a plus b, 7. Subtracting 2a plus b minus of a plus b. So this will become a 7 minus 3 is 4. A is 4, a plus b is 3. B is minus 1. So Tn is 4n minus 1. Tn is 4n minus 1. I hope it is clear. Then I will discuss a shortcut. First, let us start from basics. First one, I hope it is clear. Second one, let us take one more example. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on. T31st, how much it is? T31st, how much it is? This is 3, this is 3, this is 3 and it is 3. So difference is constant in one step. So Tn equivalent to An plus B. T1 equivalent to A plus B. First term is nothing but 2. T2 is nothing but 2A plus B, which is nothing but 5. If I subtract it, 2A minus A is A. A is nothing but 5 minus 2, 3. A plus B is nothing but 2. So B is nothing but minus 1. So Tn is nothing but 3n minus 1. Substitute the value. N is 1. T1 is 3 minus 1, 2. N is 2. 3 into 6 minus 1, 5. N is 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 1, 8. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 1, 11. Tn. I want T31. So answer is 3 into 31 minus 1, which is 93 minus 1. Answer is nothing but 92. Answer is nothing but 92. I hope it is clear. You don't need to do any of this. You don't need to do any of this. Just an understanding. If the difference is constant in one step, then nth term is an expression with degree 1 for n. If the difference is constant in two steps, then nth term is an expression with degree 2 for. So the series Tn is A plus B. This is method 1. Method 2. Directly how to write it. Directly how to write it. Now see here. Please write down Anil Nair's way of solving the question. Please write down. I hope interesting way of looking at the series where the difference is constant. Now let us see. 2, 7, 12, 19, 26 and so on. T23. T23. First traditional method, then an optimal method. First is a traditional method. Listen carefully to this traditional method. How students will solve? It is 2, 7, 12, 19, 26 and so on. So the difference is 5, 5. Sorry sir. It is, I made a mistake. Third one, 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27 and so on. So method 1, traditional method. Traditional method. Please write down traditional method. Then we will see the optimal method. I wrote a series which is not in AP. So these is nothing but 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. So these is nothing but 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. These is nothing but Tn equivalent to An plus B. So T1 is A plus B, which is nothing but 2. T2 is 2A plus B, which is nothing but 7. So A equivalent to 5 and A plus B equivalent to 2. So B is nothing but minus 3. Tn is nothing but 5n minus 3. 5n minus 3. You don't need to write all this. Method 2. Very Anil Nair's way. Directly how you can determine the nth term. Method 2. So what you have to do is simple sir. 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. These are nothing but 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Nothing you do sir. Just identify the leftmost. What is these 5? From where you got these 5? 5 you got from this A value. Am I right? So this is nothing but A. This is nothing but A plus B. A is 5. Directly 5n. B will become minus 3. Tn is 5n minus 3. If the difference is constant in one step, the leftmost values are given by A and A plus B. A and A plus B. From where you got these A? 2a plus b minus of a plus b. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2, 5. So this is a. This is a and it is a plus b. A is 5. A plus b is 2. So Tn will become 5n minus 3. Tn will become 5n minus 3. I hope the idea is clear. Two terms, there will be an absolute. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. Answer is Tn is 5n minus 3. In two terms, you will understand its importance. One more question. 1, 9, 17, 25, 33 and so on. T41. T41. These are nothing but 8. 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 Answer is directly, this is A and it is A plus B. So Tn is nothing but 8n minus 7. Tn is 8n minus 7. So T41 is 8 into 41 minus 7. So answer is 328 minus 7. Answer is 321. I hope the logic is clear. If the difference is constant in one step, these leftmost values are given by 8 and this is given by a plus b. A and a plus b. This is a very basic question. Now goes to the second level of question. Tn is 8n minus c. I hope it is clear. All the values c. 8 into 2 minus 7. 16 minus 7, 9. 8 into 3, 24 minus 7, 17. 8 4s are 32 minus 7, 25. Now fifth question. Fifth one. Now you can easily solve any question which is given of this format. T1 28. T40 value. T40 value 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28 and T40. Here this method will be extremely useful. Method 1, traditional method, then method 2, optimal method. Method 1, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28 and so on. If you observe here, this series, these 2, these 3, these 4, these 5, these 6 and it is 7. These 1, these 1, 1, 1, 1. Difference is constant in how many steps? 2 steps. Difference is constant in 2 steps. If difference is constant in one step, it is a linear expression. If the difference is constant in 2 steps, then it is a quadratic expression. So Tn is an square plus bn plus c. So n value 1, which is nothing but a plus b plus c. 1 is nothing but here 1. N value 2, so it is nothing but 4a plus 2b plus c. These is nothing but 3. N value 3, these is nothing but 9a plus 3b plus c, which is nothing but 6. So here it is nothing but, if I subtract 4a minus a is 3a, 2b minus b is b, 3 minus 1 is 2. 9a minus 4a is 5a, 3b minus 2b is b, 6 minus 3 is 3. If I again subtract 5a plus b minus of 3a plus b, 2a, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2a is 1, so a will be 1 by 2. What is 3a plus b? 3a plus b is 2. So b will be 2 minus 3 by 2, which is again half. A plus b plus c, what will be the value? A plus b plus c is 1, so c value is 0. So Tn is nothing but, the series is half n square plus half n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the series for this question. Very, very interesting question. If the difference between the elements is constant in 2 steps, if it is constant in 1 step, then it is a linear expression. If it is constant in 2 steps, then it is a quadratic expression. So Tn is an square plus bn plus c. This is a very, very important key point. N value 1, T1, T2, T3, 1, 3 and 6. 4a minus a 3b, 2b minus b b, 5a plus b. So subtracting horizontally I am doing subtraction, sir. 3 minus 1. Sorry, sir. 3 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 3, 3. 5a minus 3a is 2a. 2a is 1. 3a plus b is 2. What is 2a? 2a is the subtraction. 3a plus b is this value. A plus b plus c is this value. So answer is T40 is 40 into 41 by 2, which is nothing but 820. Which is nothing but 820. I hope it is clear, right? Traditional method. Then optimal method. Anil Nair's method, how to find out directly the nth value so that you will get it, right? So if you observe the series is second value is 1 plus 2. Third value is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Fourth value is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Nth value will be n into n plus 1 by 2. You don't do any of this, sir. You don't do any of this. Only thing, please understand, 1 is nothing but 2a. 3a plus b is 2. And a plus b plus c is 1. Directly how to write down? Method 2. Method 2. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. How you should solve this question? Anil Nair's way of solving. Now see here. These is nothing but 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36. These 2 and it is 3. These 4, these 5, these 6, these 7 and it is 8. These nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What you do is only leftmost take it. Only leftmost values take it. This is nothing but 2a. This is nothing but 3a plus b. Observe method number 1. You will understand the logic clearly. A plus 2a equivalent to 1. A is 1 by 2. B is nothing but 3a plus b is 2. So 3a plus b is 2. B is nothing but 1 by 2. A plus b plus c is 1. C is nothing but 0. A is 1 by 2, B is 1 by 2, C is 0. So Tn is half n square plus half n. Previous question it is A and A plus B. Here it is nothing but 2a, 3a plus b and a plus b plus c. How you got 2a? Method 1 if you see 5a plus b minus of 3a plus b. How you got that 3a plus b? Subtracting t2 minus t1. These are nothing but t1. These are nothing but t1. I hope it is clear. So these are nothing but 5a plus b minus of 5a plus b minus of 3a plus b. 5a plus b minus of 3a plus b. I hope the idea is clear. 2a, 3a plus b minus of a plus b plus c. Is this logic clear? Kindly everybody reply, sir. Kindly everybody reply if this logic is clear to you. Is this logic clear to you? Is this logic clear to you? Method 2. Now let us solve some examples so that you will understand it. Everybody kindly reply, sir. I hope this is clear to you. Once you solve it, then some examples. 2, 7, 14, 23, 34 and so on. T 25th term. T 25th term. 2, 7, 14, 23, 34. T 25th term. Directly it is 5. These 7. These 9. And it is 11. These are nothing but 2. 2. 2. So these 2a. This is 3a plus b. This is a plus b plus c. Directly you will get the answer. 2a is 2. A value 1. 3a plus b it is 5. B value 2. A value 1, B value 2. A plus B plus C it is 2. So these is nothing but C value minus 1. So the nth series is nothing but n square plus 2n minus 1. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to find out what is the particular pattern of this series. Tn is n square plus 2n minus 1. If I put n value 1, 1 plus 3 minus 1, 2. N value 2, 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8 minus 1, 7. So T25 is nothing but 25 square plus 2 into 25 minus 1. 625 plus 49. Answer is 674. Answer is 674. 2, 7, 14, 23, 34. Difference is constant in one step. Then it is a linear expression with degree 1. These difference is constant in 2 steps. Then it is a quadratic expression. 2a is 2. 3a plus b is 5. A value will become 2. A plus B plus C is 2. C value will become minus 1. Just by looking at a question itself, with a little bit of calculation, you can find the nth term series. Last example. All this series is an increasing series. The value is growing. Then we will see what happens if the value is decreasing. And so on. 1, 5, 13, 25. T 20th value. Try to solve one more question. 1, 5, 13, 23. These are nothing but 4. These are nothing but 8. These are nothing but 12. So this is 4 and it is 4. So here it is 2a. Here it is 3a plus b. And here it is a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. So if 2a is 4, a value will become 2. 3a plus b is 4. 6. B value will become minus 2. A plus b plus c is 1. C value will become 1. So answer is nothing but 2n square minus 2n plus 1. Tn is 2n square. So Tn is 2 into 20 square minus 2 into 20 plus 1. 2 into 20 square minus 2 into 20 plus 1. Idea is clear. Everybody, if the series is increasing and the difference is constant in particular steps, how to solve? If the difference is constant in 3 steps, what will you use? Cubic expression. If the difference is constant in 4 steps, you will use 4th degree. I hope the logic is clear. I hope the logic is clear. If the difference is constant in n steps, then the nth term will be an expression of degree n. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Anything other than the non-academic discussion in the live chat, you know me very well. The only way I respect you is to block you from my channel, because you are into a non-academic discussion, I am into an academic discussion. Our expectations will not match. For you, there are hundreds of channels where you can write whatever rubbish that comes into your name. Right? I hope it is clear. Idea clear? Everybody kindly reply. Then we have to discuss another question also. Please write down, sir. Another way. Everybody clear, right? Everybody clear? Write down another way. Another question. 10, 23, 60, 169, 434 and so on. T12. Find the 12th term in this series. Find the 12th term in this series. 10, 23, 60, 169, 434 and so on. Find the 12th term. First concept. Concept. 10, 23, 60, 169, 434 and so on. These are nothing but 13. These 37. These 109. This is 325. So these are nothing but 24, These 72. These nothing but 216. 24, 72, 216. This series, the ratio is constant. So R value is 3. R value is 3. Please write down. Tn is nothing but a into r power n plus phi of n. Phi of n is a function. If the ratio is the same in 2 steps, then phi of n is a linear function bn plus c. If ratio is the same in 3 steps, then phi of n is a quadratic expression bn square plus cn plus d. Phi of n is a function. These 2 steps is ratio is same in 2 steps. Ratio is same in 2 steps. If it is in 2 steps, then it is phi of n is a linear expression. If it is in 3 steps, then it is in 3 steps. Phi of n plus bn plus c. Then phi of n plus bn plus c. Now see here. If the ratio is same, these concepts you will not find in any of the textbooks. You have to attend the class. That's where my enrolled students will have an immense benefit compared to an non-enrolled students in terms of the understanding of the topic. A into r power n plus phi of n, right? 2 steps. Now if it is in 1 step, that also write down. Phi of n is c. Phi of n is c. If the ratio is the same in, right, 1 step phi of n is in c, 2 steps it is bn plus c, 3 steps it is bn square plus cn plus d. Now I will do it one by one, then derivation you can do it little later. 10, 23, 60, 169, 434 and so on. These 13, these 37, these 109 and this is 324. 24, 72, 216. It is ratio is same in 2 steps and the ratio of the elements in the 2 steps is r is 3. So these nothing but, the series is nothing but Tn is a into r power n. If it is in 2 steps, it is bn plus c. A into 3 power n plus bn plus c. N value 1. A into 3 plus b into 1 plus c. These is nothing but 10. N value 2. These is nothing but a into 3 square plus b into 2 plus c. N value 3. These is nothing but a into 3 cube plus b into 3 plus c. These is nothing but 23. These is nothing but 60. 9a minus 3a, 6a, 6a plus b. These are nothing but 27 minus 9a, 18a plus b. These are nothing but 13. These are nothing but 37. Difference here is nothing but 12a. So 12a is 37 minus 13. 12a is 24. So a value is nothing but 2. A value is 2. 6a plus b is nothing but 10. 6a plus b is nothing but 10. B value is nothing but minus 2. 3a plus, sorry, it is not 3a plus b plus 6a plus b plus c is 13. I made a calculation mistake here. These is 13. 6a plus b plus c. So b value is 1 and 3a plus b plus c is 10. 3a plus b plus c is 10. So c value is 3. A, B, C we got. So Tn is nothing but 2 into 3 power n plus n plus 3. Please write down, sir. Check it out by using some n values. N1, n2, n3. You will get the value. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. N value 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. N value 3. 3 cube 27 into 2. 54. 54 plus 6, 60. I hope this generic term is clear to you. Generic term, I hope it is clear. I hope the logic is clear to you. 2 into 3 power n plus 3. Everybody, I hope it is clear. 10, 20, 360, 169, 434. I hope it is clear. Kindly make a note of it. Any doubts, whatever you got, please ask me, sir. Please ask me in case you got any doubts. You got any doubts, please ask me. Please ask me if you got any doubts. Any doubts? I hope it is clear, right? One more question. Right? One more question. Please write down. 2, 5. Just write down these values, sir. 2, 5, 24. I just created a series for you. 75, 190 and so on. T12 is how much? T12 is how much? Just write the expression. You don't need to. These 3, 19, these 51 and this is 115, these 16, 32 and 64. So it is common in 2 steps. 2 steps means R value 2. If R value is 2, then you can solve these equations. Some concepts which generally you will not get in any of the regular textbooks. A into 2 power n plus bn plus c. Now substitute and get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. T1 is nothing but 2a plus b plus c, which is 2. Tn is 2 is nothing but 4a plus 2b plus c, which is nothing but 5. N is 3. 8a plus 3b plus c, which is nothing but 24. So these is nothing but 2a plus b, these is nothing but 4a plus b, these is nothing but 2a, these is nothing but 3, these is nothing but 19, these is nothing but 16. 16. From there you can derive your own conclusion, sir. From there you can derive your own conclusion. Right? That is something which I leave it for you, because that will be a food for thought for you. 2a is 16, a is 8. Next one, 2a plus b is 3. 2a is 16, 2a plus b, it will be 3. And 2a plus b plus c will be 2. Substitute and get the answer. Substitute and get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. Anybody got any doubts? Very interesting way of looking at some number patterns. Some interesting way of looking at some number patterns. Tn is a into r power n plus phi of n. Phi of n is linear if the difference is constant in 2 steps. If it is constant in 2 steps, then it is linear. If the difference is constant in 3 steps, then it will be cubic. I hope the idea is clear. Find the value of a, b and c. Substitute in this question. T12. If the answer numerical value is given, there is no other way but to determine these particular series. Next one. Next one. Please write down, sir. Last question. 1, 5, 13, 29 and so on, T50 value. 1, 5, 13, 29 and so on, T15 value. So this is nothing but 4, this is nothing but 8, this is nothing but 16. So R value is 2, which I got it in only one step. If I get it in one step, nth term is given by a into r power n plus c. R is nothing but 2. So here it is nothing but a into 2 power n plus c. N value is 1, which is 2a plus c. N value is 2, which is nothing but 4a plus c. This is nothing but 1. This is nothing but 5. So difference is 2a. This is nothing but 4. So 2a is nothing but 4. A value is nothing but 2. If a value is 2, 2a plus c is nothing but 1. So c is nothing but minus 3. C is nothing but minus 3. So Tn is 2 into 2 power n minus 3. 2 into 2 power n minus 3. Just check it out whether it is satisfying. N is 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 1. N is 2. 2 square. 4 into 2 8 minus 3 5. N is 3. Praveen. N is 3. 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 3 13. I hope. Right? Till here, I hope the concept is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this is clear to you. Is this clear to you? All the latest YouTube live class videos will only be given to the enrolled students. It is not available to the non-enrolled students. It is not available to the non-enrolled students. You need to purchase. Quality content comes out with a cost. Tn is a into r power n plus c. I hope the idea is clear. Now whatever we discussed, right? Now whatever we discuss, that is when the series is increasing. I hope it is clear. Next one. What if the series is decreasing? Please write down, sir. Series is decreasing. This is when the series is increasing.